Welcome back to the course. In the previous lecture we have seen some documentation that we are going to use to create our command line interface application for the blockchain environment, and now we are starting to use some commands to create our environment to build our application. Like we are creating the folder where we are working on. Since I have decided to use TypeScript, we are going to use Node Package Manager to manage our packages or application that we need to have in order to be able to create the application. And I will start to init the application. Okay. Now I have my package.json file here ready for us to manage the packages, and since I would like to use also TypeScript for our project, I will initialize the project with the basic command of TypeScript. TypeScript compiler --init. This is creating a basic composition file for TypeScript. Now that I have those two things, I can add some useful packages that will allow us to run the application in compiling in real-time application, and then we doesn't have every time to run the same commands. They are useful packages. They are used just for development. They are Nodemon and concurrently. Now they are installed, and for now I can open my favorite IDE editor. I'm using Code for this application. As I can see here, concurrently Nodemon are installed. That means I can start to make some configuration. For doing that, I will add some scripts, commands. Oh, is already here, sorry. I can add like start, and I will build using TypeScript in watching mode. Then I can start and run the application using Nodemon build and build the build folder, the index.json file, that JavaScript file that I will find, and the start command that will simply concurrently npm start everything. We do not test nothing. This is the basics of our configuration to start our application, but now we have to create some folders that we are going to use as well in our system. I create the source folder and also the build folder. Now I have to tell to the TypeScript configuration file which folders we are going to use as the root folder. That will be our source folder, and the outdir folder, it will be the build folder. Checking that everything is correct. I think that everything is correct right now. And now I'm going to use the AS6 instead of AS5. Actually, I think that we have done everything in here in the configuration at the beginning, and we can try to write a simple file, the index TypeScript file, and console log just something like hi there. Okay, now I can open the terminal and check if everything is working. Oh. Why is not starting? Yeah. Oh yeah. Start. I was missing. Try again. First time the file is not there. And you can see, boom, hi there. Seems that is working. Now, for instance, I can change just something. Hi Enrico, saving, and the compiler is running immediately and changing the error. Okay, I think that everything is ready to build our command line interface. See you.